Today we're unboxing $3,000 worth of items. Most of these are from Tesla.com. This one item is a secret and it is not from Tesla. So at the end of this video, I will be unboxing this and I promise you it is worth the wait. Now, I don't want you guys to have to wait for something cool to happen. So I'm unboxing this super cool Tesla Tequila Mezcal. You can see it's kind of like a matte black situation going on here. And it comes with a matching stand with a matching Tesla logo on it, which is absolutely sick. You can smell it right out of the box. Now, I know what you guys are thinking. He probably bought this to resell it, and that's not true. I'm gonna actually drink this one day, and when I do, I'm gonna bring you guys along for the ride, so make sure to subscribe so you can see what that tastes like. Now, let's move along to one of the smaller items, but equally as cool. This is a Puddle light for your door, which is absolutely insane. I love this item. If you are tricking out your car for any reason, you have to put Puddle lights. What are Puddle lights? Puddle lights are these really cool electronic items that go under your door, so when you open up the door at night, you get to see a logo on the ground. This one has the Cybertruck logo. I'll go even further and open this up so you can see what they look like. So when you open up the item, it looks like that, and the backside looks like that. And I will do an install video on these so you guys know how to install Puddle lights on your car, so make sure to subscribe for that video. You know it wouldn't be a proper unboxing video if I didn't bring a dagger to unbox some of these items, because this is gonna be hard without it. This is so dangerous. Type shit. Let's see what's inside this box. I really wanted this. This is a Tesla wireless portable charger. Let me open this wide up so you can see. What color did you think I got? It's the rose gold, and this charger is special because it charges 2 items at once. You can actually put your phone right up here, and it has an Alcantara area right down here, which is like a nice suede material that you can put your AirPods on. All right, guys, let's move on to one of the larger boxes. Here we go. A box inside of a box, you wouldn't believe it. $100, I don't know if this is $100. I'm gonna put the prices up on the video so you can see. This is an air cabin filter from Tesla's website for my Cybertruck. So if I ever wanted to change the air cabin filter, which I did in a video earlier, so if you wanna check that out, you can. This is what I'd be using, and it's just good to change out your air cabin filter, usually about once a year or every 12,000 to 15,000 miles, so your car smells nice and fresh. Okay guys, I have to admit, I do actually know what this one is. I'm really excited for this box in particular because I just went off-roading. And I know this would have come in handy if I had it, but I didn't, but now I do. This is the Tesla Cybertruck air compressor kit with sealant. So in the case that you get a flat tire, you can actually fill up your tire and get to the next location. Or if your tires are low on air, you can just use the air compressor to get a little bit extra PSI. This is absolutely incredible, and it took Tesla way too long to ship this out. Man, they promised like 2024, now we're 2025, but they finally did it in true Tesla fashion, way too late. We have the smaller thing right here. I'm assuming this is the sealant. So in the case that you do have a flat tire and you need to fill it up, you can use this. See, it has this little tube going around. Oh my gosh. This is the actual box that we needed, and it comes with a carrying pouch. I didn't know that it would, but let's open this up. It's like boxes on unboxings. This is so cool looking, but it is heavy. Guys, if you have a Cybertruck, I'm gonna highly recommend you get one of these things. I'm gonna make a separate video filling up my air with this. I don't need the sealant yet, but I will use this so you guys know how to use it, and it's gonna be absolutely incredible. I can tell by the size, because usually the smaller air compressors don't really do much, but this is gonna do the job. Tesla, don't make me eat my words. You guys, it also comes with this massive power cord, extension cord. I'm assuming that's to get to all of the tires, and this plugs right into the side of your Cybertruck. So you have the outlets over here. This will plug in to this, and you've got the whole kit. Anywhere you go, you're covered. This kit was about $500 to $600. My gosh, guys, it is gonna break the bank a little bit, but if you are an off-roader with a truck, you're gonna need this compressor kit. Into the next box, always cut away from yourself. Never cut towards your hands or your fingers.
Can we see inside your car?
Yeah, for sure. Sorry, I'm holding a knife. I'm doing a little unboxing.
Okay.
How you guys doing?
Good. I always wanted to see one of these. What's it called?
This is a Tesla Cybertruck. Nice to meet you.
Carol.
To hit that $3,000 unboxing goal, we had to get something actually kind of crazy. This is the spare tire kit for the Cybertruck. It was actually in the back of my truck, but I literally couldn't fit all the stuff in there. So I had to bring it inside my garage so you guys get a good look at it because it is absolutely ginormous. This spare tire is the most insane, over $1,000 spare tire kit I've ever seen. Okay, now back to the video. All right, I don't want to make you guys wait for something really cool, so we got another big old box here. I have to apologize. I bought 2 air cabin filters. Now I know what you're thinking. What's in the long box? I got you. Guys, I ordered not 1, but 2 windshield wiper blades, the largest windshield wiper blades in the world. You know what I'm saying? You might need something like that. And I have to spoil the surprise. I think I ordered 2 of these wireless chargers as well. This one's white. Okay guys, the moment you've all been waiting for, the fragile, please keep this side up item that is not from Tesla, but totally worth checking out. It's not a flamethrower replica. This is what they call a tactical torch, I think. And it's fragile, so I gotta be careful. But holy crap, it has my name on it. What the heck? Yo, look at this. This is absolutely crazy. And I need you guys to like this video and subscribe because we're gonna use this torch in a future video. And I promise you that video is gonna be one of the best videos you've ever seen on YouTube. I'm planning something big, so please go ahead and subscribe right now so you don't miss me using this crazy thing. Keep your finger off the trigger unless you're ready to fire. I don't think it's loaded.
No way.
Yeah, hi, I'm Asheen. Nice to meet you.
Scott, yeah.
Pleasure.
What do you do on YouTube?
Well, I used to work for Tesla, so I gotta pay for this truck somehow.
No shit.
Yeah. All right, guys, so that's what 2 to 3 grand looks like in the back of my truck. I can't wait to upload more videos for you guys. This actually means the world to me that you guys watch my videos. I love you so much. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.